So this is the presidential suite.
Yeah.
Wow.
973, 978 and 982. If you'd just like to follow me inside.
We have a couple of these available on some different floors.
Fantastic. Wow, wow. So how many, oh, the smell is fantastic. How many presidential suites do you have?
So we have two.
Right.
Two presidential suites. This one and one on floor 7. Or floor 6, I believe.
Are they a mirror image of each other, or are they slightly different?
They're slightly different.
Slightly.
Slightly different. This is Sir Terry Matthews' preferred one.
Right.
Days. Yeah.
Does he stay here, did you say?
Yes.
yes.
I have met him the last time I came here.
Him and his family do tend to stay sometimes if they have an event going on nearby.
Right.
So this is the lobby area, and then if you'd like to head on straight through, you're going to the living room area.
My goodness. Wow. So for you, those of you who don't know, Terry Matthews is the owner of the Celtic Manor and also the Celtic Collection and everything else that goes with it. He owns a lot of things, but one of them is this hotel. So this is where he hangs out. It's not too shabby, is it?
No, yeah, very spacious. This is the tip of the iceberg.
Yeah?
Let's come through here. We have a dining room, a meeting room.
We've got the first round of the minibar included with the room as well.
Right. Fantastic.
And with the presidential suite, it sort of flows. So you do have
Okay.
the balcony that overlooks Caerleon and the golf courses.
Oh yeah, there's the golf courses there. And the high ropes, is it?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Worth trying if you ever want to.
Yes.
I've done it myself.
Yeah. Have you done it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's really good fun.
Yeah?
And just through here, turn the lights on. Lights on there. So we have a kitchen, got some cabinet space.
And I guess all these are full of whatever you would need, kept sauce. Yeah.
Yeah, so we have some mugs
Yeah.
in here, some wine glasses, all that sort of
Brilliant.
stuff. And if you come through here, we partially go back into the lobby bit.
Okay.
Coming
Yeah,
through
that's
here.
the way we came in there.
Yeah, just through here's another bedroom.
Gosh. And how many does this one sleep?
4.
Four.
Yeah.
But what we can do is for kids, we can put rollaway beds in the living room area.
Right. So they would
So it's
sleep.
for adults only, but if they have kids, we can add additional rollaway beds for kids.
Wonderful. Brilliant. So one of these would sleep 4, and then with the option of 2 additional children in a roll bed. And I guess that's for under 12s? Because I think it is for the lodge.
Anything under like 15.
15,
generally in a
yeah.
hotel is considered a child.
Oh, beautiful. And again, you've got the lovely views here. And the little balcony. Fabulous.
And if just through here we have another bathroom.
So this is the master bathroom? Yeah, yeah.
I don't believe it is, no.
No?
The master bedroom is just round to the left, we'll get to that.
Gosh. I could put up with this. Oh, amazing. You've got a little seat there if you need it. Oh, fantastic. And of course the LMS, which we see everywhere here.
Okay, would you like to follow her through?
Thank you, Anna.
After you. And then we'll go back through the living room area to the second bedroom. So you've got the outdoor seating area with one of the balconies. Just here.
Gosh, it's because it's taking my breath away, it is. Oh, that's fabulous. For a family, well, for a wedding, for a family stay,
It's a nice
for a
little
special,
treat.
it is, yes, definitely.
And then in the event that people still need to do work,
We have
going
an
to
office area.
Oh, fantastic. What a view. Oh, and that's great. So that comes with storage there.
Yeah, storage,
Yeah.
you have your cupboards down here.
Oh,
Leather interior.
that's fabulous. Oh, brilliant.
And the master bedroom.
So now the master bedroom. I can't believe it gets any better than that. Oh,
And you come round into the dressing room area. And then you've got the bathroom just here.
wow.
This is the master bathroom.
Yeah. Oh. Wonderful. Oh, I thought there was 2 toilets for a while there. So you have a toilet and a bidet there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was a bit confused then. I thought, oh, lovely though. Gorgeous. A nice artwork. And look at that. And that's a huge tub.
All of our suites
Yeah.
have separate showers to tubs compared to the queen rooms, which are conjoined.
Right.
And of course you have all your wardrobe space, you have your safe, iron, hairdryer, a lot of room to put all of your stuff.
Brilliant.
And upon arrival, we open up all the doors within the area, so you're able to just walk straight through.
Oh, fantastic.
Not quite done yet.
No?
No?
Oh,
If you
goodness.
take through this way.
Thank you. So this is back out to where we came from
You've got
there.
one more bathroom just ahead of you.
Oh, that's a different bathroom again, is it?
Yeah, another bathroom. Like a communal bathroom.
So like a guest bathroom.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
And that is it for the presidential.
Wow, that's amazing. Absolutely amazing. That is stunning. Gosh. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much for watching. To book any of these rooms, go to the Celtic Manor Resort website. At the end of each video, we're going to start giving out shout outs to viewers. This video shout out goes to Gaynor and Paul Aspen.